How to create Google Drive link for photo in mobile. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know the ways to create Google Drive link for photo in mobile. So now this is quite a complicated process, however you can give this a try. So to create a Google Drive link for photos in mobile, what you can do is open up your Google Photos, and when you actually locate the photo, let's say I'm gonna go with this one, tap the three dot icon and tap the share button located right at the bottom, and then you should be able to find this option is create link. Now you could go ahead and open up, or you could start creating the link. When it's gonna show that the link has been completed, now you could go ahead and select drive, and then you could go ahead and select the account where you actually want to send the drive or send the drive link, and then you could go ahead and press on the save button, and with this you should be able to create Google Drive for link for photos in mobile. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.